Hey everybody, welcome back. This is an original numbers matching Survivor 69Z28 that a gentleman contacted me through my YouTube channel, and he lives nearby, and he just bought this car, and he brought it to my shop for us to do a restoration on the car. And as you can see, it's got extensive damage. Looking at the car, we found wood chips and drywall embedded in the damage. So my theory is the car broadsided to the corner of a house or something. But as you can see, it's got pretty extensive damage right there. And this video here is just kind of an introduction video of the car. And hopefully we're going to have a whole lot of videos coming up during the restoration of this car. So I'm starting out here with a little introductory video, and here's the car being delivered to our shop, and I'm just going to kind of let the camera tell the story here. But the car really looks a lot worse than it really is. I mean, believe it or not, it still rolls, and you can still steer it with the steering wheel. And so structurally, mechanically, I think the car is intact, but body-wise, of course, we're going to have some extensive work to do, but I think the car is well worth trying to save. It, like I had mentioned, it's an original paint, original untouched Survivor Z28, all numbers matching. Even the wheels are the original date coded correct. Now the engine that's in the car right now is not the DZ block. The DZ block is in the trunk. The car needs some rust repair. The bottom of the car is in remarkably good condition. It was all undercoated, but the quarter panels are going to have to be replaced because they have some rust. And then obviously, you know, the damaged panels are going to have to be replaced. But as you can see here, it's all original paint. It's never been painted. It's really a shame that the car was involved in the crash, because this would have been a really good Survivor car that I would not have restored. I would have left it the way it is. But that's the original cowl hood right there with the original date code on it that matches the car. So we're going to try to save that hood. And it's an original X77 D80 car. It's a June of '69 build date. And I'm going to focus in on the cowl tag here. You can barely see it, but it's X77 D80. I believe that's the original intake, and the original carburetor is with the car. But as you can see, it's got a big boo-boo on it. So, and believe it or not, with this extensive damage here, the seats are in perfect condition. The driver's seat did not even get damaged at all. I just feel sorry for the guy sitting in it. And walk around to the trunk here and show you the original DZ block in the trunk. And there's the original numbers matching DZ block. I checked the numbers and they're all matching. It's the original trunk lid. The trunk pan's going to have to be replaced. It's got some rust in it. There's the original VIN number on the block. So anyway, as I mentioned, this is just an introductory video of the car, and I'll be having some future videos on the car. And as usual, and here's the car when we're finished. So As usual, thank you so much for watching, and look forward to some more videos on this car. Thank you.